In this support video, we will be installing the trim kit for the FFFFD1933-32 series. The length between the two beams needs to be 28.5 inches. The height from the bottom platform to under the first beam is 63 inches. The base platform needs to be 27 inches by 28.5 inches. The top platform needs to be 28 1/5 inches by 28.5 inches. This will give you a front lip extension of 1 1/5 inches. From the ground floor to the top of the platform should be 7 7/8 inches. The top clearance needed is 10 inches. For proper air circulation, the base platform needs an opening of 15 by 15 inches. The bottom base floor opening should be 15 by 4 inches. Install the outer frame. Make sure the L-shaped cut sits on the platform. Screw in the outer frame. Install the other frame and make sure the L-shaped cut sits on the platform. Screw in the outer frame. Make sure both outer frames are leveled before installing the top grille. Install the top grille by sliding it into the opening of the side frames. Screw in the top grille for each side. Before placing in the refrigerator, remember to plug it in first. Place your refrigerator into the trim frame and align it with the outer frame. Install the bottom grille by screwing it into place on both ends. Verify that the outer frame and your fridge is properly aligned. This completes your installation.